Addition within 1000. This is second chapter of mathematics textbook grade 2. We are going to start our week 5 with the first lesson. The topic for today's lesson is addition with carrying or regrouping. Objectives for today's lesson are to add 3-digit numbers with carrying, to regroup numbers accurately. Alright children, let's start a lesson with mental starter. You are given two numbers over here, 28 and 39, and you have to add these two numbers. Illustrations are given along, and you know how to regroup the units. Take your time and think about it. Yes, work it out. You can do it very easily. You are in practice of doing it. What is the sum of 28 and 39? You can take help from the given illustration as well. 28 plus 39 altogether makes a sum of 67. Just check your answer. Let's move towards another activity of mental starter, which is not at all new for you. You are in practice of regrouping within the previous lessons, so you can do it very conveniently and independently. Look at the given numbers and add these up. You can have your time. This is not at all difficult. You know how to do it? Yes, what is the sum of 25 plus 15? Yes, 40. And what is the sum of 15 and 10? Yes, 25. You remember whenever 0 is added to a number, that number remains the same. Yes, good job. Well, moving towards the main activity of the lesson, addition with carrying for 3 digits. Children, during the previous lesson, we did the addition with carrying for 2 digits, but this time we are going to do addition with carrying with 3 digits. If you look at the given sum and the illustration along, you can see that how the units can be regrouped and carried on towards the tens. In the same way, the tens are being regrouped and carried forward towards the hundreds this time. If you look carefully, the units are being added up as 10. The total number of units over here are 10. So 1 is being carried forward towards the tens, so that the total number of tens over here are how many? Just count. Yes, 10, and 1 carried forward, it makes 11. So 1 again is carried forward towards 100. So in this way, how many hundreds are given over here? Yes, 4 hundreds are given over here, and 1 carried forward is also added up, and it makes 5. Well students, now moving towards addition with carrying with 3 digits in more detail. Let's discuss the given example on page number 38 of textbook grade 2. Look at the given numbers carefully, 259 and 376. You have to add up these numbers, and you know the rule of addition. First add the units, then add the tens, and then add the hundreds. Coming towards step 1, look at the numbers carefully. What are the units given over here? 9 and 6. And altogether it makes 15 units. How to regroup the units you know so very well. It's 10 or more than 10. You carry it forward as 110. In the same way, next coming towards tens. Yes, how many tens in total? 12 plus 1, 13. You know how to regroup the units. In the same way, you will regroup the tens this time. 13 tens means 130. 10 tens make 100, and we are left with 3 tens, which will be placed under tens place, and 100 will be carried forward. And this is regrouping of tens. And now the third step is to add up hundreds. 2 and 3 makes 5, and 100 carried forward, it makes 6 altogether, and our total is 635. Well students, I hope that the concept of addition with carrying with 3 digits is quite clear to you. Let's do some practice regarding the given concept. Look at the given sums which are along with the illustration. 157 plus 459. And the second sum is 283 plus 249. And you know the rule that first add the units, then add the tens, and after that add the hundreds. And this is regarding regrouping. Yes, just take your time and start doing it. Not at all difficult. Follow the rules. You know how to regroup the units and then the tens. Let's come up with the answers. 157 plus 459. The total is 616. For the next question, 283 plus 249. After adding, we get a sum of 532. Match your answers. I'm sure that you are enjoying the topic of addition with caring for 3 digits with regrouping. Let's do some more practice for the given numbers. Do the given sums in your notebook as well. Solve these sums by adding the given numbers. You know how to regroup. First the units and then the tens. Yes, take your time. Later on, come up with your answers. It's not at all difficult. You know how to regroup the numbers by following all of the steps which have been told and repeated time and again. Alright, let's come up with the answers for question number 1. 283 plus 262. And the answer is 545. For the next question, 367 plus 533. And the total is 900. For the last sum, 175 plus 425. It altogether makes 600. Match your answers. I hope these are all correct. Good job. Alright children, coming towards the written task assignment number 2, and you have to do page number 39, 40 and 41 of mathematics textbook grade 2 independently. Coming towards the wrap-up session of the lesson, look at the given sum 487 plus 521. Just add it. What's the answer? Yes, 1008. If your answer is correct, you have done a wonderful job. Keep it up. Moving towards the last part of the lesson, that is reinforcement task, which will be done as homework as well. The given sums will be done in the notebook, and I'm sure that you can do it very easily and independently. Stay safe and have good time with your studies.